Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bonifacio Global City. Step into Philippines' world's advanced transportation and stunning architecture. Join me as we explore Bonifacio Global City vibrant cityscapes under the evening lights. Welcome to Bonifacio Global City, or simply BGC, kung saan parang nasa ibang bansa ka, pero nasa Taguig lang pala. Tara, samahan niyo ako as we explore the must-see spots, best attractions, at kung bakit kakaiba ang vibe dito compared sa ibang cities around Manila. Una sa listahan, syempre, ang mga Instagrammable spots. Halos lahat ng kanto dito may art murals, perfect pang feed goals sa IG. Pangalawa, shopping. BGC is home to luxury malls like SM Aura at Venice Grand Canal Mall na may pag-gondola ride pa, feeling Italy ka, pero pag singil, feeling Italy rin. Mahal, ha ha ha. Pangatlo, food trip. Kung foodie ka, BGC is heaven. May rooftop bars, fine dining, at syempre, may masarap na local restaurants. Kahit gusto mo lang ng milk tea or street-style food, meron dito. At syempre, don't miss the Mind Museum, interactive, fun, at pang-family or barkada bonding. Feeling scientist ka na parang nag-aaral ka ulit, pero at least dito, walang exam. Tourists must see Bonifacio High Street, parang outdoor mall, may green spaces, stores, at perfect pang-chill walk. Venice Grand Canal Mall, iconic na gondola ride. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-Europe. Dito ka na mag-picture. The Mind Museum, perfect for kids at heart. Art murals and public art installations. Kahit random corner, may art piece. Parang open museum ang buong BGC. Track 30th and Terra 28th Parks. Jogging, yoga, o tambay, swak dito. At syempre, nightlife. Maraming rooftop bars at clubs kung gusto mong makita ang Manila skyline habang nagka-cocktail. Ngayon, ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng BGC sa kapitbahay niyang cities? Inside BGC, malinis, organized traffic most of the time, modern buildings, wide sidewalks, lots of trees, para kang nasa mini Singapore. Pero paglabas mo, ibang usapan na. Medyo chaotic traffic, mas masikip ang kalsada, at mas raw yung urban vibe. Dito mo mararamdaman yung tunay na Manila experience, mas buhay, mas maingay, mas masarap ang street food. So kung gusto mo ng social vibes, stay inside BGC. Pero kung gusto mo ng local, authentic Manila feel, step outside. Best of both worlds. Public transport in BGC, may dedicated BGC bus system, aircon, clean and organized. May mga bus stops lang sa tamang lugar. Hindi katulad sa ibang area kung saan kahit saan ang baba at sakay. Grab and taxis are everywhere. Pwede ring maglakad kasi walkable ang city, pero good luck kung tanghaling tapat, baka sunog ka agad. BGC looks like a mix of New York, Singapore, at Venice, dahil nga sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. Sky-high buildings, clean roads, artsy corners, and at night, napaka-vibrant. Talagang modern Manila showcase siya. Pero kahit modern, may Pinoy touch pa rin, lalo na sa food, art, at events na ginaganap dito. So ayan mga ka-explorers, BGC, Taguig is a must-visit when you're in Manila. Perfect balance of modern city life and artsy, chill vibes. Kaya kung magtatanong ka kung worth it pumunta dito, yes na yes. At tandaan kapag nag-BGC ka, laging handa ang camera kasi bawat kanto, pang Instagram. BGC is a modern business district na parang mix ng New York at Singapore vibes. High-rise buildings, wide roads, art murals sa bawat kanto, at syempre, malls na halos hindi mo na mabilang. Dito makikita ang headquarters ng mga big companies at luxury hotels. Pero kahit ganon ka modern, friendly at lakad-friendly ang lugar. Ito ang pinaka-famous stretch. Think of it as a giant open-air mall na may restaurants, shops at parks. Perfect for shopping, tambay, or kahit window shopping lang. Libre ang maglakad at tumingin. The Mind Museum. Kung mahilig ka sa science at interactive exhibits, dito ka na. Perfect para sa family, kids, o kahit feeling kid at heart. Art murals and street sculptures. Around BGC, makikita mo ang world-class street art. Hindi mo na kailangan ng entrance fee. Art gallery na ang mismong kalsada. Venice Grand Canal Mall, nearby in McKinley Hill. Okay, technically not in BGC Center pero sobrang lapit lang. May fake Venice vibes with gondola rides. Parang nag-Europe trip ka minus ang airfare. Inside BGC, malinis, organized traffic, ang daming trees and green space. Parang model city ng Metro Manila. Outside BGC, kapag lumabas ka ng ilang kanto, hello, typical Metro Manila feels, mas chaotic, mas crowded, at syempre, mas local street food vibes. Kaya masaya, kasi you get the best of both worlds. Modern city sa loob, authentic Manila experience sa labas. BGC is also a food paradise. From fine dining to budget eats, you'll find it here. Paborito ng mga office workers? Ramen Nagi, Shake Shack, at iba't ibang cafés. Nightlife? The Fort Strip at mga rooftop bars. Perfect for chill inuman at overlooking city views. So paano makakapunta dito? By car or taxi? Pinakamadali. P2P buses from Makati, Ortigas, and other major hubs. Jeepneys and tricycles sa mga kalapit areas. Pero inside BGC, mostly walking, Grab, or e-scooters. Very pedestrian-friendly talaga. Kung curious ka sa itsura, imagine wide streets na puno ng sculptures, modern skyscrapers, stylish people walking around with coffee, at syempre, traffic na medyo controlled compared to the rest of Manila. Instagrammable lahat, promise. So that's BGC. Modern, stylish, and vibrant. Whether you're here for food, shopping, art, or just city vibes, siguradong sulit ang tour mo dito. tour na to, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share para mas marami pa tayong city adventures together. See you sa next lakad.